Guys, here's a nice plow. This is your International Model 735 variable width plow. It's toggle trip. It's got your spring-loaded Coulters on it. Right here is your variable width, right here. This cylinder right here. Right here is another cylinder that you can move for your 3-point in and out hitch. You've got another hose. You've got another cylinder for your tail wheel in the back. This is one nice plow. It has got some non-factory weld right here, and they done a very good job right here. They repaired this right here where this beam hooks onto this. It looks really good. It's got your pins up here. Right here. This has got a sleeve on here for category 3. Take the sleeve off and you got category 2 pins in. Good kind of plow.